Want to keep your groceries fresh and tasty for longer? Say hello to the vacuum sealing machine. This little gadget is a game changer for food lovers. With a maximum sealing size of 28 centimeters, it's perfect for sealing everything from big food bags to small snacks. Got wet or dry foods? No problem. This machine handles both with ease thanks to its strong suction power. And setup? Couldn't be simpler. Just plug and play. Worried about tricky buttons? Relax. It's got a sensitive button for effortless operation. Plus, it seals in just 10 to 20 seconds. Talk about saving time. The 2.5 centimeters sealing width ensures a tight, secure seal every time. And don't forget the included vacuum bag. It keeps your food fresh, prevents spoilage, and locks in flavor. Powered by a 90W electric supply, this vacuum sealer makes manual labor a thing of the past. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. So if you're looking to extend the life of your groceries and save money, this vacuum sealing machine is the way to go. Keep your food fresh, tasty, and ready to enjoy. Grab yours today and take your food preservation game to the next level.